Welcome to another insightful episode where we explore behind-the-scenes aspects of the aviation industry. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's discussion, we will be uncovering the most common causes of airplane failures and how we can mitigate those risks. We will dive into the crucial role effective communication, robust maintenance practices, and cutting-edge software like CMMS play in enhancing aircraft safety. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the intricacies of aircraft maintenance and how we can work towards safer skies. Now, let's explore why airplanes fail more often than you'd think. The prime culprit is human error, arising from general oversight, structural flaws, flight crew errors, and even faulty or misplaced maintenance. Professionals identify these and more as the common reasons for airplane failures, and they highlight how a robust, mobile, and responsive maintenance program can boost aircraft safety for everyone. According to the Federal Aviation Administration, there are 12 common causes of human error on airplanes. First up, we have a lack of communication. With so many different teams working on the planes, it's essential they all communicate effectively. If they don't, it can lead to insufficient repair work and potential accidents. Secondly, there's complacency. When something keeps working, it's easy to forget that it might not always be the case. Stronger scheduled maintenance practices can help mitigate this risk. Thirdly, a lack of knowledge can lead to errors. This is where a well-maintained computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, and other maintenance software can make a huge difference. Fourth, distractions can cause a maintenance team to overlook small issues, which can escalate over time. Fifth, a lack of teamwork can seriously undermine routine maintenance. Sixth, fatigue can lead to mistakes. If teams are worked too hard or for too long, the risk of errors increases. Seventh, a lack of resources can prevent proper maintenance from being carried out. If the tools and parts aren't there, the airplanes that need them will suffer. Eighth, excessive pressure from management and team leads can lead to negative results. Ninth, a lack of assertiveness from employees can allow mistakes to go unnoticed and unfixed. 10th, stress can impact the quality of work. It's crucial for teams to be aware of stress and take breaks when necessary. 11th, a lack of awareness can prevent issues from being noticed and fixed. This is where maintenance automation can play a big role. Finally, unwritten norms or rules in each workplace can sometimes hinder proper maintenance. When we list these causes, it might seem like the solutions are obvious. Get more resources, change up the teams to promote awareness, incentivize communication. However, many of the same human errors will keep happening no matter what bright ideas are implemented and adopted. When airline software systems go down, it's a major problem for hundreds of people. But the alternative is even worse. So what can we do to dramatically improve the experience and lower the risk for all concerned? One of the key factors in the 12 reasons airplanes fail is faulty maintenance. This can be faulty methods, practices, communication, and more. A strong maintenance program, such as a CMMS, can significantly decrease human error. Aviation professionals should keep a close inventory of all equipment and parts, so that if breakdowns occur, there are clear protocols in place to respond to situations. Additionally, having a preventive maintenance program in place, such as routine checks of aircrafts, would significantly reduce the need to respond to emergency situations. So, there you have it. Let's all strive for better communication, more resources, and stronger maintenance programs to ensure safer skies for everyone. And that wraps up our video for today. We've talked about the common causes of airplane failures, the importance of effective communication, robust maintenance practices, and the role of software like CMMS in enhancing aircraft safety. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our maintenance and reliability solutions, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, keep striving for safer skies.